So hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing, something I brought from Gucci, and share that with you, and then go on to show you what I brought from in-store at Zara and do a little try on haul for you. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, then I'll leave that linked. And also I have a blog and an account on Instagram by the name of Her Timeless Style, so head over there too. I'll leave them all linked down. So the first part of this video is to do an unboxing from Gucci. It's quite a small box, I don't know if you can guess what it is. As you can see behind me, I already have one thing from Gucci, so I'm building up a little bit of a stock. So let's get on and see what it is. Right, so it always comes sort of beautifully gift wrapped in a bag. And lovely, it feels like silk with the emblem on. And if you look inside, I've got the famous Gucci horsebit belt. I think it's from 1955, but I think it's going to look gorgeous on a lot of outfits, really sort of elevate a lot of ordinary outfits, especially high street ones. I already have a leather belt, but this is like a much better version. It really is, just looking at it, if I hold it up to the mirror, it really is a gorgeous quality leather, gorgeous deep brown, and you just know it's well made, it's beautifully sewn, gorgeous gold details. I'm really thrilled to own this, and I'm sure it's going to be seen quite a lot in my outfits, both here and over on Instagram. So let's show you what I got from Zara as well. So once I bought the belt, which is quite an investment piece really, I started to look around to see things that I could style it with that I didn't already have in my wardrobe. And the first thing I came across was this gorgeous like coatigan or jumper, which I got from Zara in store. And it comes with its own belt. For some reason it's not here at the moment, but I thought the little Gucci belt would look gorgeous with it. It's actually made of sort of man-made fibres with a little bit of wool. It's quite a nice thick chunky material, and it's ribbed but not stretchy ribbed. I got it in size small, which is big enough for me. I'm usually quite small, that's my normal size. It's got these wide sleeves with a little bit of a fold back cuff, which I like, and I don't think they come full length, about 3/4 length. So I'll pop that on and you can see if you like it. So here it is in the full length mirror with the Stuart Weitzman boots, and I think it looks like a dress rather than a coatigan. It has got side slits, I didn't show you that before, so it's if you are going to wear it a bit like this as a dress, it's best to wear like some leggings underneath like I have. And because you've got this horsebit belt, I think you can sort of make it more equestrian looking with these knee-high boots that I got from Stuart Weitzman, and a little fedora hat just completes that equestrian look. So really pleased with the coatigan, which you can wear so many different ways, and the way it goes with this belt. Here you can see the belt in a little bit more detail. I got from Zara was this cute little jumper, which I thought was just perfect for autumn. I haven't got anything with this big statement collar, which is quite the trend at the moment. And I thought I loved the lovely ditzy print on it and the gorgeous warmth of the jumper. It's got quite big gathered sleeves. If I put that back and bring it a little bit closer, you can see it's got quite gathered sleeves here, quite big sleeves. So it might be hard to wear under a coat, but yeah, and then comes in, gathers in, and it's a gorgeous, really sort of like old-fashioned collar here. Really love that, and I love that it's short, so it's easy to tuck into like jeans like I've got on at the moment. I think that'll look gorgeous for autumn, so I'll pop that on with these jeans, and you can see if you like it. This is it teamed just with my off-white jeans and an ordinary brown leather belt. I really love it. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. It feels really soft and comfortable. It's got about 6% wool in it, and the rest I think are man-made fibres. But it's really nice and warm and soft, really love it. It feels like an outfit all in one. It costs the same as the other one, $29.99. Both of them made of similar kind of materials, and both really comfortable and soft. Really love how they've put the fabrics together. I bought from Zara was a pair of ankle boots. I do have a pair similar really, but they're a slightly different tone and they're looking quite worn and dirty by now, so I wanted a new pair. And was thrilled to find these. I was actually waiting in the queue to buy this jumper and the other jumper, and I saw them on the shelf, and They're a gorgeous suede leather, almost identical colour to the top, so I think they're going to make a great outfit when I put them together. And they're almost like, I suppose they've got like a rounded but pointy toe. I think that's the term you use. And they've got on the side a little bit of gather. So I'll show you what they're like on, and you can see if you like them too. In the mirror, and I think you'll agree that is like a perfect outfit, really, isn't it? Because the colours are just so much the same, and you've got the sort of the off-white here and the off-white jeans, and the brown's a bit of a contrast. So I'm really pleased with that. Really gorgeous boots. They come in at the ankle as well. If I come in a little bit closer, you can see that I hate boots which leave a gap, but these come right into my ankle. Really pleased with those. Perfect pair of boots, and they're comfortable too. They really sort of feel the right fit. These are size 40, so yeah, definitely really pleased with that little outfit. This look is perfect for a walk in the countryside on a crisp autumnal day. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of videos planned which would include looking at jumper dresses and how I can use my Gucci belt to style them with a different range of jumper dresses which you might be interested in. Also, I have a blog called hertimelessstyle.com and an Instagram account of the same name. So head over and subscribe to my channels there too. So don't forget that you can shop all the things I've shown you today. There are links down below. They are affiliate links, but I only get a very small proportion of money, but you just pay the same. So I hope you enjoyed it today and look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye for now.